Hi everyone, we've been taking a look at arbitration and conciliation, and this is a short video which will introduce you to arbitration as far as its principles and characteristics go. This is Dr. Mariam Narona. I'll be walking you through this presentation. Broadly, the characteristic features of arbitration are that arbitration is consensual. Parties involved in the arbitration, that is, those who are involved in a dispute and have opted for arbitration to resolve that dispute, can choose the arbitrators. Arbitration is neutral, and the decision of the arbitral tribunal or the arbitrator, if there is one arbitrator, is final and it is easy to enforce. Now we'll take a look at each of these features one by one. We already know that arbitration is an alternative dispute redressal mechanism, and arbitration is consensual. Parties who are involved in a dispute opt for arbitration as a route to resolve the dispute. It can take place only if both parties to the dispute have agreed that the matter should go to arbitration. And parties usually insert an arbitration clause in the contract for future disputes arising from non-performance of contractual obligations, just so that matters can be easily resolved. Even existing disputes can go into arbitration, and already existing dispute, let alone future disputes which parties factor into an agreement saying that it can go into arbitration. Even an already existing dispute can be put to arbitration. Now, arbitration gives some sort of flexibility to the parties. Parties can choose the arbitrator or arbitrators. They can also say that there will be one sole arbitrator instead of two or a panel, and they can always choose. If they're choosing more than one arbitrator, they can choose an odd number of arbitrators. So they have that flexibility to choose who will hear their matter, who will help to resolve their dispute, who will adjudicate over their dispute. Arbitration is a neutral process because arbitrators, basically the people who adjudicate over a matter which is put to arbitration, are independent individuals who do not stand to gain anywhere from the matter which is under dispute. And it also gives certain amount of flexibility with regards to the nature of proceedings, like the language in which the proceedings will take place, and the time and place where the arbitration will take place. Now, an arbitral decision is final, whereas in conciliation this does not happen. Arbitration works just like an order given by a judge. The arbitrator's decision is final and it is easy to enforce because of the serious nature and the formal nature of arbitration. So thank you for listening. I hope this video gave you the features of arbitration, a good understanding of the same. And in the next video, we'll take a look at the advantages of arbitration in India. Thank you for listening, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you like the content in this video, and subscribe to the channel if you like the educational content here. Thank you.